Alright, everybody, Ricardo Francahero. This is video number 4, nurture and follow-ups. Nurture and follow-ups. Alright, so how that works is that, let's just say this right here, this is your landing page, right? And these people, whoever watches this landing page, they're interested in getting their free video or free report, right? And it's very easy to get these reports, right? Let me show you. Like, you see how it shows right here. Here are the bonuses that you will receive in your inbox today, absolutely free. And they do get these ebooks. And in order for you to how to get access to these ebooks, like let's say you don't have your own ebook, you just buy one. You type in PLR, right? And see, like this is one right here, PLR me, done for you, PLR content. So this is for you to give out for free for anyone that's interested in getting the ebook report, right? So let's just say right here, let's just say we could put, let me just put no thanks. Let me put network marketing, right? Let's just say network marketing. Let's see what pops up. So all these ebooks show up. Let's see, LinkedIn. Okay, let's find another one because this is not the only website. PLR, right? So that's one. That's another one. All right, there you go. Like these are other ones. PLRproducts.com. Let's just say we gotta find the network marketing, right? Let's just say network marketing. Alright, so let's see here. Let's see what pops up. Something should pop up. Taking a while. See, these are all the ebooks. So like, let's just say there's an ebook right here about network marketing, right? You want to give away, right? No, there's no search term, is there? Email marketing. There you go. Like, let's just say this one right here. Boosting your network marketing cash flow. Now, this right here will be $6, right? This would be a ebook, an ebook that you would get directed to your inbox once you pay for it. And right here it gives you the rights, what you can do with it. And see, you see it says no, you can't give away. You know, people still give it away. We just needed just to give it away, actually. You know, to for anyone that's interested in getting a free ebook like this right here will help you how to boost your network marketing cash flow, right? So if you don't want to do that, or you want to do that one and then you want to add some more, like example like this one right here that I have, as you can see, I over delivered, right? It's best to over deliver for your leads, right? Like let's say this one right here, bonus one Google Ads ebook, right? So obviously this is an ebook for Google Ads, and then there's the YouTube ads, Microsoft ads, and Facebook group mastery, right? So I'm giving away 4 ebooks free, right? 4 of them. Now, that being said, I had to go to these websites and I had to pay for that. Example, Google Ads run, right? and I gave it away. I give them away. The reason is because it's free. You're giving away something for free as an ebook to your leads. Now, that will attract. See, your landing page, you have to attract your leads so they could as an exchange for their email address, right? So now, see, there's Google Ads Mastery, one right there. Google Ads with AI Expert. So there are all these different ones, right? Google AdSense. So I obviously bought a Google Ads ebook, and then from right there I got a Microsoft one, and YouTube Ads one, and then a Facebook group. So I gave away 4, right? So that this landing page, I'm giving away 4 ebooks, and on top of it too, also video access 1, right? So I'm doing a 5-part webinar, right? Now, and there's a testimonials here. Now, so what I'm doing is I'm giving away free stuff in order for the lead to opt in and put their email address. And of course, using this landing page, you have to connect it to Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, or Constant Contact. There's other ones, but these are the most popular ones, right? You get to choose which one you want to use, right? You get to choose which one you want to use to for your email follow-ups, to nurture, right? Nurture and follow-ups with your leads, because you gave them away ebooks, you gave them away free books, and on top of it, inside the email marketing, which with these 4 right here, you could tell them, like, in your email you could put like, join my Facebook group, or watch the replay, or watch the next video, right? So they're gonna find out who you are. They're gonna know what's your name, who you are, what you do, what you're trying to do with them, and the reason is for them to trust you, right? For them to trust you, so they could work with you. You are giving them a glimpse of what they're gonna get, right? And of course, you have to give away free information, right? You just have to. That's just the way it is. Why? Because you can't charge a person of any product that they don't know what they're gonna get themselves into, right? So it's like you're giving them a sample of what they're gonna get, right, for free, right? So you have to give them information, and it's enough information for them to want you to put their email address, and also wanting to work with you. So then from right there, they're gonna want to trust you and make a friendship with you, a relationship with you. And then from right there, that way they could be on your team, like for network marketing, MLM, right? So that being said, you're not chasing them, right? You're warming them up, right? You're warming them up for them to work with you, if that makes sense. You're warming them up by showing them the valuable information that you want to give them to. So I hope this makes sense. So this is a short video to show you guys exactly how this works, right? It's nurturing your email lists and giving them information, free information for them to work with you. And then from right there, they're going to want to be on your team, right? So like, let's say by giving away these ebooks, the ones I just showed you, you're giving them information for them to get their signups, how to drive traffic to to their landing page, right? You're doing that because you want to help them. You want to grow a team here. In order for you to grow a team, you have to help your teammates in your MLM downline. You just have to. Why? Because how are you gonna make money? Exactly. In order for you to make money, you can't just think about yourself. No, you got to think about your team, because your team is the reason is that you're gonna make your money, your residual income, right? You guys work with each other, and not only that, it could become a very long-term relationship with your team. Think about that. That's the way it should be, because that, if it weren't for your team, how are you gonna make your money? Without your team, you're just by yourself. You won't make anything. So you got to think about your team in order for your MLM business to grow. That's just bottom line, the truth. So now in the next video, video number 5, this is video number 4. Video number 5, I'm going to show you exactly how to make that happen. The next video is going to be the best video from this series, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you soon. Click on the button below for the next video, or just wait for the next email to be sent to you so you guys could show up to the next video. You guys take care.